Here's how to redeem a promo code on Duolingo. Open your browser and search Google for Duolingo Redeem Codes. Click the official result titled Redeem a Promotional Code for Super Duolingo, making sure the link goes to duolingo.com to avoid lookalike pages. You will land on a page with a box labeled Enter Your Code. Paste or carefully type your promo code into that field, watching for confusing characters like the letter O versus 0 or the number 1 versus capital I, and remove any extra spaces left over from copying. Codes are often case-sensitive or include hyphens, so enter it exactly as provided. Click Redeem, and Duolingo will apply the offer to your account. Log in first if prompted, so the benefits attach to the correct profile. If you see an error like invalid, expired, or already used, double-check the characters and confirm your code matches the specific offer you received, since some promotions are region-specific or tied to a particular plan. Once redeemed successfully, you will see an on-screen confirmation and the perks will appear in your account shortly after. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.